Hello students, welcome to Maths classes. Today in the MCQ series of class 12, we are going to take another case-based question on applications of derivative. So let us start with our question for today. Your case study is, on the request of villagers, a construction company designs a tank with the help of an architect. The tank consists of rectangular base and rectangular sides. So your tank is of rectangular base and rectangular sides. So your tank is like a cuboid. Like this. So open at the top so that its depth is 2 meters. So its depth is 2 meters and the volume of the tank is 8 meter cube. So you are given the volume of the tank. Now based on the above information, you have to answer the following questions. The first question is, if x and y represents the length and breadth of the rectangular base, let x be the length and y be the breadth of the rectangular base. Then the relation between the variables is, now the relation will come from the volume function. We know that the volume is 8 meter cube and the volume is equivalent to length into breadth into height is equals to 8. Length is x, breadth is y and height is 2. So your xy must be equals to 4. So your option B is correct. Your second part says, if construction of tank costs rupees 70 per meter square for the base and rupees 45 per meter square for the sides, then the making cost C expressed as a function of x is. So you are supposed to find out the making cost. So the making cost will be rupees 70 per meter square for the base. So 70 into area of base plus for rupees 45 for sides, and the tank has 4 sides, so rupees 45 into area of sides. Now what is the area of base? Your base is x by y meter long, so the area of base is x into y, plus what is the area of sides? Your sides the tank has 4 sides and 2 sides are 2 by x meter long and 2 sides are 2 by y meter long. So twice of 2x plus 2y. So it will be equals to 70xy plus 4 can be taken out. So 180 into x plus y. Now we are supposed to find out the C function as a function of x. So we are going to replace y with x and we know that xy is equals to 4. So y can be written as 4 upon x. So replace y with 4 upon x. So this will be, your cost function will be equals to 280 plus 180 into x plus 4 by x, and this is your cost function in terms of x. So your option C is correct. Your third part is, the owner of the construction agency is interested in minimizing the cost function of the whole tank. For this to happen, the values of x should be, he wants to minimize the cost of construction and he wants to know for what values of x the construction cost is minimum. So we know that the construction cost cost function is 280 plus 180 into x plus 1 by x, 4 by x. अब आपको इस कॉस्ट फंक्शन को देखना है कि फॉर व्हाट वैल्यूज ऑफ x योर कॉस्ट फंक्शन इज मिनिमम. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू डिफरेंशिएट इट वंस. 280 का डेरिवेटिव 0 and the derivative of this function is 1 minus 4 by x square. For the critical points, we are going to put your first derivative is equals to 0, and that will implies that 180 into 1 minus 4 by x square is equals to 0, or this will be x square is equals to 4, or x can take either plus or minus 2. But x represents the length, that cannot be negative. So we are going to ignore x is equals to minus 2. So x is equals to 2 is the critical point. But now we are going to check whether this is the point of minima or not. So for that, we are going to find the second derivative of your function, cost function, and the second derivative is 180 into 1 ka derivative 0 and the derivative of minus 4, 1 upon x minus 4 to as it is, 1 upon x square ka derivative minus 2 by x cube, and for this your second derivative at x is equals to 2 is equals to 8 upon 8, that is positive. That implies that x is equals to 2 is a point of minima, and we can say the construction cost is minimum when x is equals to 2. So your option D is correct. The fourth part of your question says for minimum cost C, the value of y should be. अब आपको पता है ये that your cost is minimum when x is equals to 2. Length is of the tank is 2 meters. Then they are asking that for what value of y the cost function is minimum. So C is, your cost function is minimum when x is equals to 2, and we know that x into y is equal must be equals to 4. So put x is equals to 2, we will get the value of y should be 2 meters only. So for your option C is correct. Your fifth part says the Pradhan of village wants to know the minimum cost of tank. So the minimum cost will be, we know that your cost C is minimum when x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2, and your cost function is equals to 280 plus 180 into x plus 4 by x. So the minimum cost of cost function will be when put x is equals to 2. So you will get 280 plus 180, and this will be 2 plus 2, 4. So this will be 280 plus 720, and this will be rupees 1000. So minimum cost of construction of tank is rupees 1000, and your option D is correct.